Hi guys, this is Justin, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to create a container and how to position it using position absolute. So if we go here to the CSS file, we can see that the body has a width of 1920 pixels by a height of 1080 pixels. And what this means is that the entire screen right here in OBS represents the body, and we want to add a container inside of it. So go to the HTML file, and you can see that other than linking it to the JS file, the body doesn't have anything inside of it. So we want to add a generic element, div, and we'll add a name to it, which is the class. We'll call it container for simplicity. Now go back to CSS, and then we want to describe the container. So do dot container brackets, and then let's say the width is 500 pixels by a height of 80 pixels. And we also want to add a background color to it so that it's visible. We'll do orange. Go to OBS, select the browser source, and click on refresh. Wait a little bit, and then there's the container. But by default, it's on the top left corner of the screen, and we want it to move it somewhere here. So this is where we want to use position absolute. So we can specify where exactly on screen we want it to be located. We'll do top 30 pixels, left 300 pixels. And click refresh again, and wait a little bit. And now the container is from the top 30 pixels and from the left 300 pixels. Now you can also use bottom and right, but I prefer using the properties that's closer to that side of the screen. So if it's on the top of the screen, we use top. If it's on the left side of the screen, we use left. So when we see the CSS properties of the container, we can tell that the container is located on the top left. So that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next part. Bye.